Okay, y'all, so unless you've had your head stuck in the sand for the last couple of weeks, you have noticed that interest rates have gotten worse, and they continue to do so. So last week I brought the Fed announcement with the short-term interest rates going up, and that unfortunately had an immediate impact on mortgage interest rates. So we had just set a record that was established in 2008. The highest average interest rate in 2008 was 6%, and we crossed that mark just not too many days ago, and now rates are firmly in the 7s for most people, so 7s or above. This morning things got much worse, which I know that sounds like a lot of bad news, but the truth of it is that the sooner the economy can make a recovery, the sooner we can get back to more of a normal interest rate market. And that's not going to happen until interest rates go a little higher for maybe a little longer. So maybe after the first of the year, maybe into the spring or summer next year, we'll start getting some relief on these rates. But what does it mean for you right now if you're looking to refinance or you're looking to purchase a house? It's going to mean that your budget's going to be a little bit tighter, but I would not postpone looking for houses until rates get better, and here's why. I've said this before, I'm going to sound like a broken record until this is not relevant anymore, but there are more people looking for houses now than there ever has been. So there's less homes on the inventory. I've heard some realtors say that we're going into a buyer's market. We are not going into a buyer's market. We are not seeing prices coming down en masse. Yes, you're going to see some pockets of lower rates here or lower house prices here and there. You're going to have sellers that get a little bit desperate because the foot traffic is going to be a little bit lower as people are having to kind of, digest these interest rates and decide for themselves what's the best thing to do at this point in time. You're not going to be seeing $50,000 above ask in most cases, but houses are still selling, and they're still selling quickly. I have one client that was sent 3 houses by her agent last week. All 3 houses new on the market. All 3 houses are now under contract. So she is desperately seeking a house that's going to fit her needs, and I think that's going to continue to be the story right now. So if you've got questions about how the interest rate could affect your buying power or how much money you could get out of a refinance, give me a call. I'll be more than happy. Reach out to me. I want to go over your situation for you, help you budget for what's happening. But listen, don't take too much time to think about it, because what's happening today is not going to be what's happening even tomorrow. We could be looking at even higher rates tomorrow. So everything in real estate is all about timing, and right now, unfortunately, there's not a lot of time to sit and think about things. If you're going to do something, be ready to pull the trigger on it as soon as you can. This has been your Monday morning market update. I'm Eddie Sprouse with Mountains of Shore Loans, and thanks for tuning in.